Honda has also been proactively engaged in developing more advanced safety technology for motorcycles, with the goal of preventing traffic accidents involving automobiles, motorcycles, and pedestrians. Statistics on motorcycle accidents show that more than 60% involve collisions with cars. A major factor in collisions between cars and motorcycles is the driver's or rider's failure to detect an oncoming vehicle or to correctly evaluate its speed and distance. To alleviate such problems and prevent accidents, Honda's ASV3 motorcycle uses the inter-vehicle communication system to exchange positional information with cars and help prevent detection failures. It also features an autonomous onboard system employing cameras with image recognition technology to supplement the rider's front and rear vision. In addition, Honda has introduced innovative new design features that enhance the visibility of the motorcycle to other motorists. Many motorcycle accidents involve collisions with cars in intersections. In particular, many accidents occur when the rider is making a turn across traffic and is hit by a car proceeding straight through, or when the rider is traveling straight through an intersection and collides with a car turning across traffic. This can happen when the car approaches from outside the rider's field of vision, or when the driver does not see the motorcycle in time. To help prevent this kind of accident, the ASV3 motorcycle is equipped with an inter-vehicle communication system that allows it to exchange positional information with other vehicles. The rider is alerted to the presence of oncoming vehicles using a display and through the helmet's built-in audio system. At the same time, the car's navigation screen displays the motorcycle's position and alerts the driver. Thanks to this system, both driver and rider are aware of the other's position and can navigate the intersection more safely. Just as with automobiles, Honda is developing a system for communication between motorcycles and pedestrians, and it's working to improve safety for all who share the roads. The ASV3 motorcycle has two onboard CCD cameras, one mounted in front and one on the back, to support the rider with supplementary visual information. When the vehicle is approaching an intersection without traffic control devices, the image from the front-mounted camera is analyzed for stop signs and either stop lines or road markings, indicating the vehicle should stop. If the rider does not slow down, guidance is given on the display, and an audio warning is issued via the rider's helmet. In addition, after the motorcycle has come to a stop, the inter-vehicle communication system alerts the rider to the position and speed of any approaching vehicles, helping the rider determine whether it is safe to proceed through the intersection. By reducing the likelihood of collisions at intersections where visibility is limited, this system contributes to safer riding. In addition, the motorcycle's rear camera alerts the rider to vehicles approaching from behind. The other vehicle's position and the speed at which it is approaching appear on the display. The system contributes to safer riding by supplementing the rider's rear view. One of the major causes of collisions involving cars and motorcycles is the driver's failure to see the motorcycle or to correctly evaluate its speed or distance. Compared to cars, motorcycles are relatively small, and their shape can make them hard for drivers to see in traffic. For this reason, in addition to safety enhancements that make use of communications technology and autonomous systems, Honda has designed the ASV3 motorcycle's shape and appearance so as to make it more conspicuous to other motorists. Human beings have a highly sophisticated inherent ability to recognize faces. We have a tendency to concentrate on the eyes and mouth. It has also been demonstrated that diagonal lines are easier for us to detect. Honda's new face design for the ASV3 makes it more conspicuous by taking advantage of this facial recognition ability. The front of the motorcycle is designed to resemble a face with eyes and a mouth, and features diagonal lines. This effect is enhanced at night when the vehicle's headlights can be seen. It looks rather like a human face, which makes it easier for other drivers to spot. Studies of human brain function have shown that people looking at the face design experience brain activity similar to that of someone who has recognized an actual face. Drivers making turns across traffic in intersections often find that oncoming motorcycles are approaching faster than they initially appear. Their distance and speed can be difficult to judge because the light from a conventional motorcycle's headlights comes from only one location, in the center of the vehicle. To alleviate this problem, the ASV3 motorcycle is equipped with upper and lower sets of high-intensity LED headlights, which make it easier for drivers to judge speed and distance. Tests have demonstrated that this long design makes the ASV3 appear 10% closer and 20% faster than conventional motorcycles. The new face and long designs make the ASV3 motorcycle more easily visible to other motorists, which may contribute to a reduction in the incidence of collisions with automobiles. Honda ASV3 vehicles feature an array of driver assist systems to help prevent and avoid accidents involving cars and motorcycles as well as pedestrians. Honda realizes that a safer traffic environment can only be achieved with technology that addresses traffic safety issues from all perspectives, taking care of drivers, riders, and pedestrians alike. Cars, motorcycles, and pedestrians. Moving forward with advanced safety vehicle research, Honda will continue to develop new technologies to help realize the goal of safety for everyone.